What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download a GIF onto your iPhone so that you could actually use the GIF and it will actually come up as a GIF, whereas if you were just searching on Google, it would just save as to your camera roll and you wouldn't be able to have the GIF function, but you could now actually have GIFs on your iPhone as well. And it is actually quite surprising that we've evolved so much in iPhones that we still need a second-party app in order to do this, and iPhone doesn't have GIF saving capabilities on its own. But this app that I'm talking about is called Giphy. As you can see, I just typed it in now. It is Giphy. Super simple to spell and super simple to look up. It should be the first option when you search it, but if you don't, it is a black background with a little rectangle and different colors going around the rectangle. Anyway, once you get inside of the app, there's going to be a home page with a bunch of GIFs, or you could hit that search bar at the bottom and search for the GIF that you're looking for. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose a random GIF just to show you how this works. And once you click on the GIF itself and you're at this screen here, all you're going to do is you're just going to hold down on the GIF as shown, and then you're going to hit the first option at the top to save to camera roll, or you can play around with the other options if you'd like. I just do the simplest one and save to camera roll, because if you do that, then you could easily just access it and send it, as it's going to be the first thing when you pop up when you're trying to send it to somebody. And now, as you can see, I'm just going to head over to my photos to show you that it is done correctly. And then, just like I said, the first camera option that is available, it's going to take up, and once you click on that, you can see that the GIF is now running through my camera roll. There is no sounds coming out, and it is just an endless loop of this dog wagging its tail, just like I expected and just how I downloaded from the Giphy app itself. That's all I got for you today, though. If you had any questions or were confused at all on this tutorial and anything in relation to that Giphy app that I just showed you, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.